Classics, this is Sheila here. Today we're going to be making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let's see what we need to make a sandwich. First we need bread. We need peanut butter. And we need jelly. We need a plate. We need a spoon. And we need a knife. Now our first step is to get 2 slices of bread. 1. I'm going to place it on the plate. 2. Now our next step is to open the peanut butter. Then we're going to scoop some peanut butter and put it on 1 slice of bread. Next step, we're going to spread the peanut butter on the bread. See, I'm spreading the peanut butter. Now my next step, I'm going to close my peanut butter. Then I'm going to get my jelly and I'm going to open the container. My next step is to scoop some jelly, place it on the other slice of bread. Next step, I'm going to have to spread the jelly on the bread. Spreading the jelly. Now my jelly is all over the bread. My next step is to put the 2 slices together. So I'm going to place the slice on top of each other. Now I have a sandwich. My last step is to cut the sandwich. I'm going to use my knife and I'm going to hold it and I'm going to cut. So now I have 2 pieces. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you next time. Bye for now.